Hi friends, welcome. If this is your first time visiting, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping in. If you haven't already done so, please hit the subscribe button. I'd love to have you as a subby friend. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. My name is Lorenda, and today we are going to be doing a project share. So I would like to share with you some of the badge reels that I have made recently. And now these, of course, we won't be like doing how I made them, but just to give you some different ideas. So I'm just going to start with this guy here. So pretty. So this is a heart, and this is a mold that I picked up on AliExpress. I have seen this particular mold on Amazon as well, and I've done another badge reel with this one in the past. And this one I put the little hearts through there, a bunch of glitter, so cute, and then the heart beads with the RN on there, and then filled out the center of the button, and I love it. I think it turned out so cute, so good idea. And then we have this one. So this one is directly on the badge reel. I did the base of it in red glitter. I put the RN on there. So what I do when I have extra like resin, epoxy, different stuff left, I like to make the little letters. So I have several different sizes. So there's this. And so let me just show you. You can see like these are, the different little, RNs that I make. You can, different things, whatever. So of course we've got the little heart on the button, the stethoscope, the Scrub Life plant our resin piece there, and came out really, really super cute. And then we've got Duncan, and there's of course some glittered resin on there. We did that little silicone bubblegum beads to match, and then we did the center. So the center here, I've been asked a lot if you can put mica powder in epoxy, because you can't do alcohol ink in epoxy, but the mica powder, yes, you can. You don't want to put too much because you don't want to change the texture of the not epoxy, the UV resin. But yes, and that is mica powder in there, and super cute. And this one, actually, this one is also done with mica powder. I used this new pretty mica powder that I got from Resin Rockers. Look at that color, it's so pretty. And that is actually the color that is in there. So this one, of course, a foam grip instead of a badge reel, but super cute. I did Tinkerbell and gave her some fairy dust and little stars through there. Turned out super cute. And so I have some Golden Girls. So we've got Miss Betty, if you can see it. If I turn it sort of at a weird angle, then you get the glitter. So of course the silicone bubblegum beads, and this one says, well, look, with only 4 hours of sleep, I could be just as bitchy as you. Super funny. It's a nice little rose statement there. And then of course I did the center. And then this one has all the Golden Girls on it. It says stay golden. And then I did the little beads to match. And of course the center there, super cute. And then these ones here. So again, the different little sizes of the letters. Of course, I intentionally made these ones though. And these are just really cute. So this is all UV resin. And of course I put the little stethoscope on there, put RN on there. You could put anything you want on these. And I did these in just different colors. And they came out super cute. And then they all have, you know, little matching hooks with the stethoscopes. And I did, you know, the little center button on them. And then these guys here are all the clear acrylic. Now I do these in a couple different ways. So these ones all have the glitter, and then I did a clear sticker paper so that it would be like really subtle and sort of like shine through. Sometimes I do vinyl on them. Sometimes I do printable vinyl. So just depends on the look that I'm going for. And this one is the Vicks Vapo Rub. I haven't done anything to the piece here yet, but there's that, super cute. And then this one's a little pill bottle, really cute. Now this one is one of my favorites. So if you can see the little pill, it says 2 milligrams of common sense. And then I put him on upside down since it's, you know, supposed to be common sense. I just thought that was sort of funny. And I'll still probably, you know, put some little beads and stuff on these. And this one, the lungs. So this one, I'm so upset. I was tired when I was doing it. And when I put it under the light, I let it turn a little bit. And this is why it's so important to be careful and hold it when you put it under. So as you can see, it is off center. So it's not any good because my lungs are off center and the badge reel is in the bronchial tree there. So, you know, that's not good. But just so you can see, like one of the things I like with the lungs, I like using, so this is a vinyl that has like little flowers on it, and I just think that that's a really pretty look, although this one is no good now because of that. And let me just show you, so I get my clear acrylics. Occasionally I cut them with my Cricut. It does take a while, but you can use the 0.20 and cut with your Cricut. But you know, for anything intricate and multiple of them, like cutting with my Cricut is nice if I can't get something quickly or in particular, but generally I order them, and I have two places. So 3rd Degree Lasers, so that's where these ones are from. These are from 3rd Degree Lasers, different ones here. Now, the only thing with 3rd Degree Lasers is that you have to go on Facebook and then join their Facebook group in order to get the SVGs that come with them. So anytime you order blanks, you should be ordering from somebody that gives you the SVG that goes with it, so that you're not trying to figure out how to, you know, make an SVG to fit your acrylic blank, just so you know. So, and I don't really get on social media a lot, so having to go to Facebook for those is a little challenging for me. I mean, I did it. I made a Facebook really just for that, but, you know. And then the other one, let me just put my address down here. So the other one, and this is my favorite, this is Moxie Vinyls. And so it comes, and they send you a sheet like this, and that way you know like what each piece looks like. So like this is going to be for my husband. It's a piece to look like the dog. And like this is an avocado nurse. And so like these are different ones that I have from them, as you can see. And so the nice thing with them is that once you order them, you just go onto their web page, you sign yourself in under your account on their web page, and then all of the different SVGs for what you ordered are going to be there, and it's super easy. I mean, both of them are easy. You just click them, download them, and then you can, you know, upload from files into your Cricut or Silhouette, whatever it is that you use. But it's really nice. They do give you the files with them, and they are very inexpensive to order, just so you know. But anyway, so this is my project share for today, and I hope that, you know, maybe it gave you some ideas. I hope that you liked it, and I hope that you have a blessed and beautiful day, friends, and I'll see you later. Bye.